BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The stable channel of the Microsoft Edge web browser for desktop has received yet another update, which was made available on the 9th of March. Now, this is not the upgrade to version 111. We are still waiting for that. And according to the release schedule, should have also rolled out on the 9th of March. This is once again yet another point release for version 110, which is still the latest stable release. Now, to double check if you have the update, just head to your menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And if you do use Edge regularly, when you close and open the browser, this update and all updates will be applied automatically in the background. And the latest version and build now after this update has been applied is 110.0.1587.69. Now, believe it or not, this is now the 7th point release update, maintenance update that has rolled out for version 110 since version 110 was originally released on the 9th of February. And this clearly is Microsoft trying to resolve issues in the browser. And I haven't noticed for quite some time that a version has received so many point releases. So obviously version 110 clearly has had a couple of issues. And maintenance updates are common for Microsoft to roll out between major version upgrades, and very strange that we have received another point release just before a version upgrade. So that was interesting. And the release notes, all they tell us once again is Microsoft say they have fixed various bugs and performance issues. Over and above that, there is no other information given or provided. And if you haven't seen the update, it will be rolling out over 1 or more days. So just take note of that. And if you have experienced any issues in the browser since upgrading to version 110, then just apply this update sooner than later, as it may resolve any issues. And after applying the update, like I always do, I have checked around the browser quickly, and I'm not noticing any major features or any changes. If you have noticed anything, just let me know in the comments. That's always interesting to find out, little nuggets that can possibly make their way into point releases. And as mentioned at the beginning of this video, we were expecting to get version 111 rolling out on the 9th, which would have been late yesterday in my region. According to the release schedule, Microsoft hasn't made that available yet, so we can be getting that any day now, possibly later today. And I think if we don't get it later today, Microsoft then will roll it out next week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.